We're often taught to eat at certain times. Breakfast at 8, lunch at noon, dinner at 6. But what if we're not actually hungry? Eating by the clock instead of by our body's signals can disconnect us from real hunger cues. And when we eat just because it's time, we might not even enjoy it. So for some, that can lead to eating unhealthy snacks later, looking for satisfaction in food, or just in general, we end up eating, more food, more calories, however you count your macros. We just end up eating more than we need to or want to. So today we'll tap, and you can see in that video up there the science behind how this works, especially in regards to food. And this will help release the habit of eating by the clock and reconnect us with what our body actually needs. So take a moment to check in with yourself. From 1 is, yep, my body tells me when I'm hungry and that's what I listen to and go by, to 10 is, I always eat just because it's time, or I was taught, these are the meal patterns I need to follow. Focus on any emotions, sensations, memories that surface. Take a deep breath. Tap with and repeat after me. Even though I eat just because it's time, I honor my feelings and my habits. Even though I don't always check if I'm hungry before I eat, I'm open to learning new ways. Even though I feel like I should eat at set times, I choose to trust my body's signals. Even though I'm used to eating by the clock. And even though I have this habit of going by just what the clock or the watch says, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I eat just because it's time, not because I'm hungry. Letting that go now. I don't even think about whether I need food. I just eat because I'm supposed to. Releasing that habit. I've always eaten based on a clock or a watch, mine or somebody else's. Dropping that habit now. Eating at set times feels like it runs my life. Releasing and letting this food and time connection go now. I'm tired of being stuck to what habit and society say about when I should eat. I want to listen to my body and its signals. What if I checked in before eating just to see if I'm actually hungry? Maybe I don't have to eat just because the clock says so. I'm letting that habit go now. I trust that food will be available when I actually need it. Dropping the link between the clock and food. It's okay to wait until I truly feel hunger. I won't starve. I'll be okay. I'm safe. Eating when I'm actually hungry may feel more satisfying. I can choose to honor my body's needs, not just a schedule. I'm dropping the time and food connection now. I listen to my hunger signals, not the time of day. It feels good to eat when my body actually needs food. I trust that I can wait for true hunger without worrying. I enjoy food more when I eat it because I'm hungry, not just because it's time. I am in tune with my body and respect its natural rhythms. I choose to eat with awareness now, not just out of habit. I trust myself to eat when I'm truly hungry. No more watching the watch. I'm letting go of eating by the clock. I'm learning to listen to my body's hunger cues. It's okay to wait until I actually need food. I'm more at ease knowing I choose when I eat. I am in control of my eating habits now. I eat by my body's clock, not the one on the wall. Take a deep breath and check in again on that 1 to 10 scale to see if the idea of waiting for true hunger feels a little easier now. Tapping is literally rewiring our neural pathways from negative to positive. So try being mindful around meals or anytime there's snacks or food or you're offered food. Make sure that, every time you just pause and listen to your body before you eat. See if you're really hungry or you really even need or want that, whatever's being offered. And definitely try tapping when you feel the urge to eat just because it's time. Use this video. If there were, if you could do this once or twice a day for a few weeks, you'll definitely kind of solidify this habit and mindset. But if there were other emotions or memories that came up, see if there's a video that applies to that particular emotion and food. And if not, let me know in the comments how else I can support you around that. If you could like and subscribe, it does, of course, help me grow as a channel, and I really appreciate it. You're doing great. Keep tapping, keep trusting yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Later.